Hi, these flashcards were derived from the MCAT style passage, Physiological Stress Response to Cuss Words. All right. G blank is a desire for conformity, which causes an irrational decision. So what is this phenomenon? That would be groupthink. So, when you're in a group, even though they might be blurting out some pretty irrational stuff, most people have a tendency to be in total agreement. Okay? F blank are standards which, when broken, do not result in moral disapproval. So that would be folkways. Like this lady right here is breaking gym etiquette. First of all, she has a long skirt on. And usually while everyone is working out, you walk around and not through the gym floor. So, it's just minor nitpicky stuff like that. Okay. Blank are more strict than folkways and are based on a culture's definition of moral and ethical behavior. So what are we referring to? That would be mores. Like if this man went on stage and picked his nose in front of a bunch of people, that would be an example of a more. G blank is released by the pancreas. It raises the glucose concentration in the bloodstream when it falls too low. So what hormone is this? That would be glucagon. And here we can see low blood sugar promoting the release of glucagon, which then acts on the liver to, help initiate the breakdown of glycogen stores and release it into the bloodstream. Okay. Blank is a hormone produced by the hypothalamus and is important in maternal bonding. So what hormone is cited for maternal bonding? That would be oxytocin, especially when the mom is breastfeeding, as seen here. Okay, so here is an example of oxytocin released from the hypothalamus. This little portion in the brain, in front of the brainstem. Okay. E blank is a catecholamine released from the central nervous system in response to stress. So what catecholamine hormone is released in response to stress? That would be epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, released from this region here, the adrenal glands, above the kidneys. Okay. Here goes a lady that's stressed out, so most likely she's releasing epinephrine.